In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a letter portrait effect in Photoshop. First, select the Type tool and type the letter Z. This is the font and font style I'm using for this tutorial. Adjust the letter size as shown. Select the Move tool and place the letter at the center of the canvas. Set the letter color to dark red and click OK. Now double-click the text layer to open its layer style menu. Enable Bevel and Emboss, and set the Bevel and Emboss settings as shown in the video. Next, enable Stroke. Set the stroke settings as shown. Enable Inner Shadow. Set Inner Shadow settings exactly as shown. Next, enable Drop Shadow. Set Drop Shadow settings as shown. Click OK to apply the changes. Next, drag and drop the subject image onto the canvas. Then go to Select and choose Subject to automatically select the subject. Again, go to Select and this time choose Select and Mask. Set the view to on black and opacity to 100%. Select the Refine Edge Brush tool. Use the bracket keys to adjust the brush size. Carefully brush along the hair edges to refine the hair selection. If you want to undo a brush stroke or any step, press Ctrl and Z. To redo, press Ctrl, Shift, and Z. Click OK once you're done. With the refined selection active, click the Layer Mask button to remove the subject image background cleanly. Now resize, slightly rotate, and place the subject image over the letter as shown. Lower the subject layer opacity temporarily to see through the subject image. This helps you position the subject image properly over the letter. Once you're done positioning, bring the subject layer opacity back to 100%. Now right-click the subject layer and select Rasterize Layer. Then right-click on the Layer Mask thumbnail and choose Apply Layer Mask. Next, right-click the text layer thumbnail and choose Select Pixels. Then select the subject layer, and with the selection active, click the Layer Mask button. Now select the Brush tool. Open the Brush menu and under General Brushes, choose the Hard Round Brush. Make sure the subject layer's layer mask is selected, and the foreground color is set to white. Use the bracket keys to adjust the brush size. Now brush as shown to bring back the necessary parts of the subject. Next, set the foreground color to black. Add a gradient layer. Click the gradient preview to open the gradient editor. Under Basics, choose the black to transparent gradient. If it's not available, set the gradient settings exactly as shown in the video. Click OK once you're done. Set the style to Radial, enable Reverse, and set the scale to 173%. Then click OK. Place the gradient layer below the text layer. Now select the Type tool. Click and add a text. Adjust the text size as shown. This is the font and font style I'm using for the text. Set the text color to black. Now type the text and place it as shown. Adjust the text spacing as shown. With the new text layer selected, press Ctrl and J to duplicate the text. Press Ctrl and T to activate Free Transform for the duplicate text. Then drag and place the duplicate text as shown. Now change the duplicate text as shown. Adjust the text spacing and placement as shown. Now select the top layer in the Layers panel, then press Ctrl, Shift, Alt, and E to create a merged copy of all visible layers. Right-click the merged layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter and choose Camera Raw Filter. Now set the Camera Raw Filter settings as shown. Set Contrast to 20, Whites to 40, Blacks 20, Texture 30, Clarity 20, Dehaze 10. Finally click OK. And that's it. You've successfully created a letter portrait effect in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.